5 instant AI tools that can save you hours of work, make you look super productive, and even do things that you didn't think were possible. AI tools were evolving so fast, and some of them are so powerful and they honestly feel illegal to use. So let's get started. First up, Durable AI, the website builder that works in under 30 seconds. Imagine this. You're starting a small business, maybe photography or tutoring, and you don't know web design. All you do is type your business name and what you do, and Durable instantly generates a full website, text, images, and layout already done for you. It's fully customizable too, so you can edit colors, change the logo, or rewrite the text. Normally, building a site takes days or weeks. With Durable, it's literally done before your coffee gets cold. Next is OpusClip, and this one is a lifesaver for creators. We all know short form videos like TikToks and Shorts are exploding, but editing them takes forever. OpusClips does it for you. Upload your long video and it automatically finds the most engaging moments, cuts them into portrait clips, adds captions, and makes them ready to post. It even highlights keywords in your subtitles to grab attention. I've seen creators save hours of editing just by letting Opus do the work, and the results are so good, most people can't even tell it wasn't hand edited. These 5 AI tools are so powerful, they feel like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie. And the best part, they're 100% free to use right now. Tool number 3 is Notion AI, the productivity cheat code. If you're a student or someone drowning in tasks, this tool is incredible. It can summarize long documents in seconds, create study notes, generates to-do lists, brainstorm essay ideas, and even improve your writing. It's like having ChatGPT built into your planner. For example, paste in a long article and ask it to summarize. Boom! You get the key points instantly. Or tell it to draft a blog post outline or improve your messy writing. Instead of juggling 5 different apps, Notion AI combines them all in one place, making studying and work way less painful. Next is HeyGen, and this one feels like sci-fi. It creates AI avatar videos that look shockingly real. Just type your script, pick an avatar, and HeyGen generates a video of a person speaking your words in perfect lip sync.
Creators and businesses looking to scale content with a personal touch.
Instant access to 500 plus ready-made avatars. Business, lifestyle, UGC, or AI generated.
Long-form content
Just pick
meets short-form power. HeyGen's Instant Shorts automatically finds key moments in your video.
Community avatars let you instantly enhance your storytelling with unique, ready-to-use digital personalities.
And it doesn't stop there. It can also translate your voice into other languages while keeping your tone and style. Imagine creating content in English, Spanish, or Japanese without ever recording your face. Businesses are already using this for product explainers, ads, and training videos. For creators, it's a game changer if you're camera shy but still want professional looking content. And finally, here's pure visual magic, Cleanup.pictures. This AI can erase anything from your photos in seconds. Just highlight what you don't want, like a random person in the background, ugly voice, or even unwanted text, and poof, it disappears, leaving the photo clean. This is Photoshop level editing, but way easier and faster. The before and after results are so satisfying to watch that I can guarantee people will replay them just to see the transformation again. And those are 5 instant AI tools that feel like they are from the future. Which one do you think is the most mind-blowing? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe because I've got even crazy AI tools coming every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.